It always matters whether or not you can trust your government. The true and solid peace of nations consists not in equality of arms, but in mutual trust alone. You have got to trust in your own ability, back yourself, and the main thing is work really hard and fight to improve. Ah, yes, I know those who see me really trust my word. I must look too intelligent to keep it. You have to, in some way, trust in the human spirit and in human ingenuity. Do not trust your memory, it is a net full of holes. The most beautiful prizes slip through it. We can only have true public safety with public trust. You have got to let your talents shine and play and trust the guys you play with. PR is premised on truth, trust, and transparency. Pond is a name that everyone is familiar with, and I know that I can trust them when it comes to skincare. I never thought I was gullible, but I know that I trust people easily and take people on face value. When your child believes you really respect what he is feeling, he will be much more likely to trust you. I lack trust in others.